Okay, so it is November 10th, 2010. We just ate. I hear the big kids coming home. Alright, say hi, girls. Oh, somebody kicked out her Passy. Let's see how that goes. Could go one of two ways. Oh, might hear from him a little bit. Oh, big brother's home. Say hi. Gonna give your sisters a kiss? Oh, that's nice. Gonna walk around and go say hi to Lyra? Oh, she's reaching for you. That's Big Brother. He loves his baby sisters. Oh, Lyra's waiting for her kiss. You gonna go over there and give her one? There she goes. You can take her Passy out if you want. Book. Oh, Big Brother likes his sisters. Oh, good. Kira, you want to give Zoe a kiss? Look, here's big sister. She's here now. Hey, Kiri, can you sit next to her? There you go. I'll take a picture of the four of you. There we go. Kisses for the sisters. Okay, wait.